Mom! I'm covered under the insurance, right? Here we go. So we're on our way home. Let's see if we make it. No, I mean like we're on our way home, like we're driving home. How could you misunderstand? Here we go. Say it with me, chat. Nom! 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 Chat, it's very key that you're quiet right now. We're hiding under the bed. Finish him! Don't finish him! No! Mom. Where'd you put the Lunchables? Let's show creepy...
Just do it! Make your dreams!
Let's show creepy Jeff over there why we are a certified Ghostbuster.